Have you ever wondered how Korean women achieve that flawless, glass-like skin, the kind that literally looks lit from within? It's not about expensive treatments or filters. It's about simple skincare hacks that most people have never even heard of, and today, I'm revealing 12 powerful Korean skincare secrets that can completely transform your skin if done right. And trust me, hack number 9 is something I tried recently, and the results blew me away. So stay with me till the end, because even one of these tips could be the missing step in your routine. 1. The 7 Skin Method. Hydrate like never before. After cleansing, apply a lightweight, alcohol-free toner 7 times in thin layers by gently patting it into your skin. This method deeply hydrates, plumps the skin, and leaves it with a natural glow without any greasiness. Best toners: Snail Mucin Toner, Rice Toner, Green Tea Toner. 2. Double cleansing. Deep clean your pores without stripping your skin. Step 1. Use an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and sebum. Step 2. Follow with a gentle water-based cleanser to wash off impurities. Even if you don't wear makeup, this helps prevent blackheads, acne, and dull skin. 3. Essence layering. Supercharge your skin's hydration. Apply a hydrating essence after toner and layer it twice for better absorption and lasting moisture. This step improves elasticity and prepares your skin to absorb serums and creams more effectively. 4. Sheet masks 2 to 3 times a week. Your skin's quick hydration fix. Use sheet masks after toner and before your moisturizer. Look for masks with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, Centella asiatica, or snail mucin for soothing and glowing skin. Bonus tip: store them in the fridge for a refreshing boost. 5. Slugging only at night. Wake up with baby soft skin. After finishing your skincare, apply a thin layer of Vaseline, sleeping mask, or Cica balm to seal in all the moisture. This creates a barrier that prevents water loss and repairs the skin overnight. Ideal for dry, damaged, or barrier-compromised skin. Avoid if you're acne-prone. 6. Refrigerated skincare hack. Say goodbye to morning puffiness. Chill your toner, sheet masks, or eye cream in the fridge. Cold products help tighten pores, reduce puffiness, and give a refreshing feel, perfect for hot days or tired mornings. 7. Sunscreen is sacred. Sunscreen is skincare, not just sun protection. Koreans apply SPF 50 plus PA+++ daily, even indoors. It helps prevent premature aging, pigmentation, and dullness. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours when outdoors. Look for lightweight Korean sunscreens like Beauty of Joseon, Seosarex, or Isntree. 8. Facial massage or gua sha. Lift, tone, and glow naturally. Use your hands or a gua sha tool to gently massage your face in upward motions. This boosts blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and helps with lymphatic drainage. Do it with a facial oil or emulsion for smooth gliding. 9. DIY green tea or rice water toner. Gentle, natural toners for brighter skin. Rice water. Soak rice in clean water for 30 minutes, strain, and use as toner. Green tea, brew and cool it, then store in a spray bottle. Both are rich in antioxidants, soothe skin, and improve tone. 10. Limit active ingredients. Gentle layering beats aggressive treatments. Avoid overusing actives like retinol, AHA/BHA, or vitamin C together. Korean skincare focuses on nourishing and building the skin barrier instead of constantly exfoliating. 11. Layer products from thin to thick. Maximize absorption, minimize waste. Apply your skincare in this order. Toner Essence Serum Emulsion Cream SPF, morning, or sleeping mask, night. This ensures each product works effectively without blocking the next. 12. Prevention over cure. Start early, go gentle. Korean skincare emphasizes preventing issues before they start, whether it's wrinkles, dryness, or hyperpigmentation. Consistent use of mild, hydrating products keeps your skin healthy and youthful long-term. Final tip: consistency is key. Korean skincare isn't about overnight magic. It's about building a routine that gently nourishes your skin every single day. If you found even one hack that surprised you, imagine what your skin could look like in 30 days of consistency. Let me know in the comments which hack you're going to try first, or if you've already used any of these. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my videos. Until next time, keep glowing naturally.